Lisa Janweska, BSN 2A, and I am here to demonstrate to you the donning of sterile gown and close gloving.
Step number 1. Don surgical attire and scrub arms and hands as prescribed. Step number 2. Have circulating nurse open sterile gown and gloves. Step number 3. Don gown. Next, pick up and unfold the gown. Identify the inner surface of the gown and pick up the gown beneath the neckband. Make sure you have control of all the folded layers. Move away from the table holding gown at arm's length. Then, slide both hands into the sleeves until the fingers are at the end of the cuffs but not through the cuffs, and fingers are remain covered. Step number 9. Have someone tie the gown. Step number 10. Put on gloves. Apply the first glove. First glove goes on dominant hand. Position the glove on forearm so the cuff faces the hand and fingers faces the elbow. Step number 14. Begin to put the opposite hand into the glove with the sleeve cover of the hand to be gloved. Next, grasp the back of the glove cuff with the sleeve covered second hand and turn the cuff over the sleeve. Step number 16. Push your fingers into the glove. Step number 17. Apply the second glove. Use your sterile hand to pick up the second glove. Put the second glove in the same position as the first on the opposite forearm. Step number 19. Put on the second glove in the same manner as the first. Lastly, adjust the gloves for fit and comfort.